All right, good afternoon, everyone. This is Frank with your MTS midday update. Right now, I'm taking a look at the crude oil chart, and crude oil obviously in a big downtrending move ever since we got the rejections off that 94.50, which was the center point of that trading range. We got a rejection there. It was lower high after lower high all the way down. And once we broke those 93.20s, obviously in the wee hours, it's been a sell the rallies type of day. We had the range set for a little while here at 92.55 as resistance, down toward 92.20s, jockeyed for position, and eventually broke at 92.10s, which opened up some selling to the downside very nicely into the last target I gave you in the pre-market report, which was the 91.80 level. 91.80 was my far extended target, and that was about it that I saw. And then from there, you start getting into the monthly target at 91.64 and the weekly target, the secondary weekly target at 91.56. So we have some more targets down there, but this was the last one on the day for the day, and because it already represents a move of 125% of average daily range. What we did right now is we came back and retested those 92.20s from below. It's going to be interesting to see how price responds there, because this could be the next spot to sell if a rejection off those 92.20s occurs. I mean, that's where prior support was, right in that area. And if we take that out, I think we see another leg down. If we can break above those 92.20s and make it support, then we got 92.55 for a retest above. But right now, the idea is we've been trending downward. We're still below major support, 93.20, and retesting from below. That's very bearish, with downside targets back at 91.80s, and then again 91.64 and 91.56. For the ES is not doing a whole lot, and then out of nowhere got a 2.5 point drop from 1804 down to 01 half. And this is one of those days where we all know resistance is at 1807, and you could sell and go small there. But we also know there's not a whole lot of volume. There's not a whole lot going on. So selling here, I mean, how far back are you going to get on a pullback on that sell? Getting back to 1804 quarter was about right. And this is, but what happens here is we out of nowhere you got that nice free fall right into support, and that's an area that's held. 1801 quarter, that's overnight support right there. 1801 quarter. It's also it goes back, 1801s go back into the last couple of days as well. So that might be the bottom there, right? Because we have a trading range. Look at the trading range right here, right? We have 1801s up to the 1807s, and that's the range. We peaked down below and got to 99s a couple of times, 1800s, but those were extreme buys there. So right now the range is just back and forth. I'm not really looking to really play much in the ES right now. Crude oil has had better swings, and quite honestly, the NQ has been a much better trader overall than any of the E-minis. But we'll see how this price responds right here in the zone. Retesting in the 03s is going to be important. In terms of targets, if we break down below 1801, which is, yeah, I don't know. But if we do 1800 quarter and 96.75. On the upside, we have the same 1808 half and 12. So 8 half and 12. But again, we just have the range right now. 01 to 07. Not a whole lot to say other than that. So I'll leave you with that. And I'm going to be going out of town probably this evening or whenever, and I won't be back till after the weekend. So if I don't get to see you again, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. And have a great time, and I'll see you again on Monday morning. Other than that, that's all I have for now. Good luck the rest of the time, and Kathy, you're up.